Hello guys, so today we are talking about modules and referring to the modules with paths and managing them in different folders and modules. So that is what we are trying to learn here. And before starting the video, I want to tell you guys that please support my channel, and only about 29% of you have subscribed the channel, so please support the channel. And so let's start the video. Okay, I will go to git bash. Okay, so let's create okay, let's create a project, cargo, new. You can name it anything you would like, but I'm just doing this Rostute. And you can do something like a live or a library, or just leaving it just like this will be fine. Okay, I hit enter. Cd rost. Okay, Rust tutorial. And let's use VS Code for now, because probably most of you guys are using VS Code, and it will be easier for all of us to understand what is going in the code. Okay, so we are in the project. We have the main.rs file. Let's clear the print hello world here. Okay, okay, so I'm also using Vim extension here, and if you'd like to do that too, you can just search for Vim and install that, or just do the normal way. Okay, let's create a module that is maybe checklist, right? Okay, check. We created a module, and after that we write public module mod, and let's give a name to it, internal. Let's write a function inside it, public function print ln, and I'm writing the code here, but I will make all of this code understandable before running the code. So let's write hello there. Okay, sorry. Public fn print hello. Let's give the name to the function something like this, print ln hello there. Okay, let's write use create check internal print hello. Let's go inside here and let's write print hello. Okay, so let's first understand what is going on here. Okay, so we have written the mode check, so this is creating a module, and we write mod check. Check is the name, but we write mod when we are trying to create a module inside the same file, inside the same root file, that is main. Okay, then we have the public mod internal, so we might write mod internal, but writing pub is making the module public, so other files can use it too. Okay, so we have public function print hello. So the same thing goes for the print hello. The pub means that the print hello function will be accessible to other crates too. Okay, or other files too, for understanding. Okay, so we did that. Let's run it. Okay, well, I'm pressing Ctrl J, but it is not responding. I don't know why it is. Okay, let's say new terminal, cargo run. Okay, so we get hello there. Okay, so we could also write something like pub use crate. Okay, so what is different between pub use and only use? So use says that the function that we run here will be ran in another file, but by writing pub we kind of way just imported all the code in the same file. So for further information you can just check the docs here. Okay, so managing growing project with packages, crates and module, you can go here and understand everything about it. So yeah, that is the first one. Okay, let's do something different. Okay, so let's create multiple files and import functions from there. Okay, let's create something like check.rs. Okay, let's clear this out. Let's copy it. Okay, let's cut it. I'm using a Vim, so okay, let's cut it. Let's go here, let's paste it inside. Okay, the indentation is not great here, but let's try our best. Okay, okay, we have public module internal, we have everything in check. So will this work now? Okay, let's say module check. Will it work now? Yeah, so we say we are using module check, that is in here. So we have already discussed that while we are trying to create a module inside the same file, then we have used mod, but also in the case of importing the functions or the code from another file, then we write mod and the file name, that is check.rs. so we wrote check. Okay, so but the thing below here does not change. We write pub use crate check internal print hello. So this should work just fine. Cargo run. Yeah, so it works. Okay, let's do a little more complex or make our file more manageable for greater projects. Okay, so how can we do that? So follow along. Let's create folder that is the same name with the file up here, check.rs. Let's create file internal.rs. okay, we have that. Okay. Let's got it. I keep on forgetting I'm using the Vim extension. Okay, so you can just cut, right? Cut this. Let's go to internal. Let's paste it, right? Okay, that is not what I'm looking for. Okay, so this is fine. We have check. Okay, so we created a folder named with same as the file check.rs. so the folder name is check, and we have let's say a create a module inside here that is public fn print hello world, or print hello, right? So we say we have public module internal, so the file system will automatically find out that we have sub module in here that is internal, and we can use that for as I have said that by using pub we can just import the whole code up here, and this makes the larger type of projects more manageable, right? And what about the main.rs? Well, the code remains the same. Okay, so let's run it. Yeah, so we get the same output here. Well, that is how we manage all the internal imports and modules that we create, right? So we can also discuss about something up here. Yeah, so I will just give an example up here. I will not write code in this video any longer, so this is also necessary for you to understand as importing from external crates. Okay, so you might be importing something like this. So the both has let's go up. Yeah, okay, so here let's see standard format, standard IO, input output. So both has results. So if we try to import as let's ignore as IO result. Okay, so if we try to import something like result and result, then we will get an error because we cannot import with have an import with same name. The compiler will get confused, right? So we can use as to rename the import, and we can give any name. So we have given IO result up here, right? So yeah, that is about the as and import, and this video is completed. So I would say because we have already discussed about internal imports and external import and some possible errors, and so let's close this video for now, and we will see each other soon. Okay, bye.